G'day people, welcome back to XL Garage. It's Adam here, again. How you going? Yeah, another new livery. Look what's going on. Gavin Faulkner from Queensland, getting ready for the Nationals. I'm really surprised he didn't go with Hawthorn colours. He's a big fan of them.
We're a happy team at Hawthorn.
We're back again. Now we got Shano's car, Shane Nowicki's car. He's rubbing racing. He's, took it out. He went to Malinats the other week with a couple other boys and, he's getting a new car, but he didn't have to dent this one. You know what I mean? All right, we've got another rolling shell coming out the XL Garage here today. As you see, he's ready for paint. Rob Zanotti, another paint job coming up, buddy. All right, and as you can see, the purple people eater, the cheese is coming out. He's got his own XL, a little modification going on. All right, guys, this is the Troy Donson's new car. As you've seen previously, he had a rollover. So we've replaced his car. It came back the other day as a bare shell. It was only taken probably about 3 days to get it to this far. And we should be having the motor in tomorrow. And also at XL Garage, we fix those cracked dashes. Oh, we'll give it a good shot, but you know, at the moment this one's a little bit fresh on the paint job. And we try to make him look brand new. All right, and that's it here at the XL Garage. Come back for some more.